Hello everyone, hope you all doing well and welcome back to our Windows Server 2022 Beginners video series on MSFT webcast. This is the first part of multi-part mini video series on how to deploy Windows 11 with MDT and WDS. In this video, we will install and configure Microsoft Deployment Toolkit, which is a free deployment tool from Microsoft. This is a kind of lab preparation video. MDT allows both the deployment of desktop version and server versions of Windows. The administration of MDT is done using an MMC console in which we will configure a network share with all the elements that will allow the deployment and customization of Windows. Unlike WDS, MDT doesn't offer a PXE boot environment. Instead, we will use the MDT to generate a WinPE in ISO and Vim format. For MDT to work, we need 3 more components installed and configured on our Windows server: Windows ADK, WinPE, and WDS Server role. The installation files for all of these can be found on the Microsoft website. For this demo, we have single domain Active Directory Forest named msftwebcast.com. This is a Windows Server 2022 domain controller SRT22-DC01. On this server, we have installed and configured the WDS service with DNS and DHCP server roles. Since this is a test lab, I want to install and configure MDT on this server. If you have a dedicated server, use it. In the first step, we will be downloading and installing ADK and WinPE on this server. Open Microsoft Edge web browser and search for Windows ADK. Open the first website, download and install the Windows ADK. Once you open the web page, click on Other ADK Downloads. Go to Download the ADK for Windows Server 2022 section. Click ADK for Windows Server 2022 link. This will start downloading the Windows ADK setup ISO image. The ISO image size is around 1.6 GB. The ISO image will take some time to download depending on your internet connection speed. The ISO image has been downloaded successfully. Next, we want to download WinPE setup image. Click the Windows PE add-on for the ADK for Windows Server 2022 link. This will start downloading the Windows PE setup ISO image. The ISO image size is around 2.8 GB. This will take some time to download the ISO image depending on your internet connection speed. The ISO image has been downloaded successfully. So we have downloaded Windows ADK and WinPE ISO image successfully. Next, let's download MDT setup file. In Google, search for MDT download. Click the Microsoft Deployment Toolkit link. Click on Download. Choose 64-bit setup file and click Download. MDT setup has also been downloaded. Now we are going to install these setups one at a time. Close Microsoft Edge web browser, open File Explorer, and click on Downloads. First, you should install the ADK. Mount the ADK ISO image by double-clicking on it. Run the ADK setup file to start Windows ADK installation. Choose the installation path and click Next. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. I have selected the features which you want to install. You can also select other features to install as per your requirement. Click Install to begin the installation process. This will take a few seconds to complete. Installation completed. Click on Close. Next, we will install WinPE add-on. Click on Downloads. Mount the second ISO image to install the Windows ADK WinPE add-on. Run the ADK WinPE setup.exe file. Choose the installation path and click Next. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. Click Install to begin the installation. This will take a few seconds to complete the installation. Please note the installation time may depend on your system performance. After the installation has been completed, close the install window. Next step is to install the MDT application. Click on Downloads. Run the MDT setup file. Click Next. Check the box to accept the license and click on Next. Click Next. Again click Next. Click Install to start the installation. Click on Finish to complete the installation. All the required components are installed. Our test lab is ready. In the next video, we will install and configure Windows Deployment Service on this Windows Server 2022. That's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions and suggestions regarding this video, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.